diha ta ini habibiday maayad maanlaw ta imo. Iman amanda issue ta inyo. As ay hanaton anday sa subject languages. Kagi pa ta mga duma ko nalugon daw kagi sa igon words basta ko aminday sayo kagi patawa ka on lang. Sige. Maliman ka on ta agsawad kay.
Good day everyone, I'd like to share with you some Higaonon words and their translations in English and Tagalog. So this topic includes the common parts of the house. So the first Higaonon word that I would like to share is the tambubungan. So tambubungan refers to the coverings of the buildings or house that protects it from weather conditions or weather elements. So its Tagalog translation is bubong, and its English translation is roof. So the second Higaon word that I would like to share is the gigiwan. So gigiwan Higaon word refers to the opening of the house or buildings that provides entry and exit. So its Tagalog word is the pinto, and its English translation is door. So the third one, or the third Higaon word that I would like to share is the hagodan. So hagodan refers to the series of steps that connects the floor or levels of the buildings or in the house. Its Tagalog translation is hagdan, and its English translation is stairs. So the fourth Higaon word that I would like to share with you is the saog. So saog refers to the surface in the house or buildings where the people walk on. And its Tagalog translation is sahig, and its English translation is floor. So the last and the fifth Higaon word that I would like to share with you is the alabat. So alabat is an opening in the building that allows the entry of natural light or air. Its Tagalog word or Tagalog translation is bintana, and its English translation is window. The sixth Higaonon word I would like to share with you is the sinabong. The term sinabong in Higaonon refers to a vertical structure that encloses or divides a room or a building. Its Tagalog translation is dingding, and its English translation is wall. And the seventh Higaonon word I would like to share is the sibay. The term sibay in Higaonon refers to a room in a house where people used to sleep and rest. Its Tagalog translation is silid tulugan, and its English translation is bedroom. Then, eighth Higaonon word I would like to share is the lamisahan. The term lamisahan in Higaonon refers to the room or a place in a house where meals are eaten. Its Tagalog translation is kainan, and its English translation is dining room. The ninth Higaon word I would like to share is the talaingod. The talaingod refers so interior surface or the upper interior surface of the house, and its Tagalog translation is kisame, and its English translation is sili. The last but not the least Higaon word I would like to share, and the Higaon word I preferred, is the galumbuyan. The term galumbuyan in Higaonon refers to the outer area of the house where people use for relaxation and for recreation. Its Tagalog translation is balkonahe, and its English translation is terrace. So I hope that you learned something from my topic. Thank you for watching and thank you for listening. That's all, and God bless.
In Higaonon word, baka. In Tagalog, baka. In English, cow. Cows are large, four-legged ruminant mammals known for their gentle nature and ability to produce milk. In Higaonon, word piyak. In Tagalog, sisiw. In English, chick. A chick is newly hatched, typically covered in downy feather and dependent on its parent for care. In Higaonon word, ambaw. In Tagalog, daga. In English, rat. Rats are rodents characterized by their long tails, sharp teeth, and ability to thrive in various environments. In Higaonon words, salampati. In Tagalog, kalapati, in English, dove. Doves are generally small, slender birds known for their gentle cawing sounds and often peaceful symbolism. In Higaonon words, bakbak. In Tagalog, palaka. In English, frog. Frogs are amphibians characterized by their smooth skin, powerful legs for jumping, and life cycle involving both aquatic and terrestrial stages.
Bao for Higaunon, pagong for Tagalog, and turtle for English. It is a slow-moving reptile with a hard shell that protects its body. Buaya for Higaunon, buaya for Tagalog, and crocodile in English. It is a large carnivorous reptile that lives in rivers, swamps, and has strong jaws. Tagunok for Higaunon, lamok for Tagalog, and mosquito for English. It is a small flying insect that feeds on blood and can transmit diseases. Klibangbang for Higaunon, paru-paro for Tagalog, and butterfly for English. It is a colorful insect with a large wings that goes through metamorphosis. Bakusan in Higaunon, ahas in Tagalog, and snake in English. It is a legless, slithering reptile that can be venomous or non-venomous.
In Higaonon, we call it amigas. In Filipino, langgam. In English, ant. Ant is a small insect, often with a sting, that usually lives in a complex social colony with one or more breeding queens. It is wingless except for fertile adults, which often form large mating swarms and is proverbial for industriousness. In Higaonon, we called it ido. In Filipino, aso. In English, dog. Dog is a domesticated carnivorous mammal that typically has a long snout, an acute sense of smell, non-retractable claws, and a barking, howling, or whining voice. In Higaonon, we called it bibi. In Filipino, bibi. In English, duck. Duck is a water bird with a broad blunt bill, short legs, webbed feet, and a waddling gait. In Higaonon, we called it balangkawitan. In Filipino, tandang. In English, rooster. Rooster is an adult male domesticated chicken. In Higaonon, we called it mianggaw. In Filipino, we called it pusa, and in English, we called it cat. Cat is a small, typically furry, carnivorous mammal often kept as a domesticated pet, known for its agility, playfulness, and affectionate nature.
Good day everyone, my name is Aaron Cedric Kailing and I would like to introduce to you the Higaonon words in Filipino and English translation of parts of the house and places. So the first is sinibunal. In Higaonon, in the Tagalog is municipio, and in English, which is municipal hall. In the second one is dalayakanan in Higaonon, and parque in Tagalog term. And English is park. The third one is suduyanan in Higaonon. In Tagalog is plaza, and English term is plaza. And the fourth Higaonon word is bulunganan, and in Tagalog is klinika, and in English is clinic. And the last one is dalamisahan in Higaonon term, and the Tagalog term is kainan, and English term is the dining room. That's all, and thank you for your listening.